Look out. We're talking about the moon phases now. The moon appears to change. It appears to rise in the east and set in the west during different times of the day or night. Due to the changing angle between the sun, the moon, and the earth, a different amount of the moon's sunlight side is facing Earth in a cycle called the lunar phases. You do not see the moon during the new moon phase because it rises and sets during the day. The term waxing refers to the increasing amount of the sunlit portion of the moon's surface, while waning refers to decreasing amount of sunlit surface. Gibbous refers to a moon that is almost fully illuminated by the sun. To complete one lunar cycle from one new moon to the next new moon takes 29 5/10 days, or approximately 1 month. Here, light from the sun is pointing toward the earth. If the moon is in between the sun and the earth, only the side of the moon that is facing away from the earth is getting any sun. As the moon travels around the earth, or orbit, or revolves around the earth, increasing amounts of sunlight can be reflected off the moon until it reaches full moon stage, which is opposite, on the opposite side of the earth. Then it starts to wane and disappear to go back to the new moon phase. The moon appears to wobble. Data from observations and research from NASA explain patterns in the location, movement, and appearance of the moon throughout a month and over the course of a year. Images from several moon observation missions, including the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, revealed that the moon wobbles during its phase. Although the same side of the moon always faces Earth, there is a slight wobble north to south, like nodding your head yes, and a slight rocking east to west, like gesturing no with your head, as the moon goes through its phase. This results in our being able to see 59% of the moon. The wobbling is called libration. In the images from NASA above, you can see the large crater Tycho shift positions northward during a nod and Marie Crisium shift westward during a rocking motion. All of these apparent motions, meaning the moon is not really wobbling, but is giving the impression due to its changing position as it revolves around Earth in a tilted orbit.